Welcome to our free YouTube creator training library brought to you by the Senior Tuber community. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the channel banner. What that is a piece of what you're going to share with people. Remember, we're trying to unfold a little bit of you and let people say, oh, I want to learn more. I want to learn more. Now, I'm just as guilty. As you can see, I put down Senior Tuber, plus the Senior Tuber says it in the title, says it on my profile picture. But you want to make sure that you have your other things you want to say in there. If you have to do that for whatever reason, then make sure you say what you need to say so that people can recognize if they belong there or not. So mine is YouTube training for mature creators. I don't know if I can get much clearer than that. And I invited them to join my circle because I have a membership link on here. So if you ever want a membership, that would be something that shows up once you do sign up for it. Now, this banner, just like a thumbnail, should have contrast to it. You can put your picture on it, but not if your picture's over here, because we don't need two pictures of you. We talk about getting free real estate. So do you want two pictures? Do you want your title or your name on more than once? Are you happy with the colors? When somebody gets there, are your people going to like it? You know, sometimes I love black and white, right? And I don't think my people, I'm dealing with a mature audience, they want color more. What do your people look for? If you're working with kids, they might want multicolor, right? One of my clients is into grief podcasts. She might have something really somber, but hopefully she'll get some contrast too, which she does. So take a look at your art. Remember that there are 3 versions of this banner. This is the version for my desktop. You'll want to check your phone version of it. Now, if you turn it sideways, if you go to landscape, your phone is probably going to show the whole banner. But if you're looking at it straight up, make sure everything that's important is showing. Now, if you have artwork all around your words, let's say over here, or just as much as you could, and it's okay, there's no words on it, that's fine. You can do that. But anything that you want them to read or see, make sure that it fits into all of your devices, your tablets, your phone, your computer, and your TV, which everything that, if it fits on everything else, it's going to fit on your TV. I don't know how many people will see it on the TV, but you can see it through your analytics. You can go through your analytics. It'll tell you how many people are seeing it through which device. Thank you for watching our free YouTube creator training library brought to you by the Senior Tuber community.